Today is rainy day. Shoo, shoo. Beep 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 beep. Huh? Oh my god, this literally. Oh my god, it's literally 9 in the morning. What's? Huh? There's a rainstorm. There's thunderstorm. I don't believe it. Let me just clean do not disturb. Okay, now time to go back to sleep. 2 minutes later, I got this idea from Toca. Pew, pew. Ah, oh my god, what is that noise? Oh, but it should be imagining things. Pew, pew. But then it's raining and it has thunderstorm. Shh. Oh my god, what's that noise? Oh my god, let me see it. Oh no, this is really bad. Oh my god, what should oh my god, so scary. Ah, wake up! Wake up! Oh my god, I forgot to make that. What? Why are you wake up at the middle of the night? There's thunderstorm. Thunderstorm? Thunderstorm, let me see. Oh my god. We should tell our kids. We get them up. Okay. Guys, wake. My house just reset and I had to make it again so this is why I had to make a new house. Guys, wake up! This is my new house. Oh, what is it? What is it, Amelia? What is it? There's thunderstorm. Yeah, I believe a liar. Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm telling the truth. I got the kids. They just cry. I'm sleeping for you tonight. Me too. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a mail. Why did you check yesterday? I don't know, cause I forgot. Okay, but be careful. Okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot the mail. But I have to be quick. Also, I got this idea. I got this idea from Toca again. Just pretend. Just don't mind this. Don't pretend you cannot get. You didn't see it. Oh, I have to wear this. And I need to get umbrella. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It rained so badly. I had to be ready. But actually there was no rain. I did put this one, so just put it in. What? Are you kidding me? There's no mailbox? Oh my. Pew! Oh my god. To get inside. Oh yeah, I've locked the door. Guys. The mom is playing it, but then she's pretend she's pregnant in pajamas. Guys, there are actually no mailbox. Oh, it's okay, Auntie. Yeah. Chicken. Oh, what's that me? Hello, ma'am. This is for the toothbrushing. So, you have to get inside and tell your kids to be ready, and you have to get inside, or else they will be sick, and die. Please tell your kids to get inside. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So why in the kitchen? Wait, I'm gonna open. I'm gonna open. I don't know. Sorry. It's okay, guys. So you can sleep with us. Yay! How about you sleep? Okay. Shh. Everyone is asleep. And it's morning time, but it's still raining. Not thunderstorm. Ah, what a rainy day. Who texted me? Oh, it's from my bestie. She said let's go somewhere. Okay. So I'm just gonna wear this. But I don't feel like wearing this. But I like this more. Because there's sun on the other side. Wait. Let me just try. Okay, I should wear this. Ching! Oh, she texted me. we're really close. Oh my god, she just. Well, I just have to change. Wait, let me just get ready. No water? Oh, just put that there. Okay, I should be ready. But then she's inside. It's still raining. What inside? Okay, I think I gotta wear this. Nah, this plain. Oh, this? Nope, only for fall. Yes, this is so cute. Let me see. Yep, it's raining. I have to wear this. I have to get this. Amelia went out with her friend already, and they're talking now. And her friend ordered a taxi, Uber. Shh, shh. Ah. Ah. What a night. Yeah. Should we play outside? Duh. What a great idea. Let's go. Okay. Part 2.